Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a quick episode just showing a couple things going on in Mo's garage. So first of all, on our Seaward 26RK, we decided we better do the bottom paint. So the boat right now is actually up on jacks off the trailer. Kathy and I just finished it. The boat is actually ready to come down and get put back on the trailer. But before I did that, I know in the past, especially on the Seaward Facebook page, there's been quite a few questions of how people jack up their boats. So I figured I'd at least show what we did here. So as you can see, we have the front pretty well supported on some blocks. We jacked the front up. Off the wheels, off the rollers was a bottle jack. And then I do have a set of boat stands that are in the back of the boat that are supporting the back end up. So again, just showing this. You can see that the boat's off the bunks. I did remove the keel guides and also the board at the bottom just for access to the keel. I have the keel at the topmost position. And then here's the back. As you can tell, so we have a couple of jacks right at the back where the boat is at its strongest point, complements of the transom. And then the other set of jacks is just as far forward as we can get it. As you can see, there's no prop, there's no shaft. There's a reason for that. So right now we are also, as part of our yearly maintenance before we go up north, we are replacing, first of all, the dripless seal that's in the back. Was a brand new one. The bellows up for this guy was basically back in 2008, as old as the boat. And we decided it was time to change it. And if we're going to go to the trouble of putting new bellows on it, might as well just replace the whole thing. So this is the transmission coupler that we have cleaned up. We cleaned up the prop. I also have the binnacle part. So basically, just so we could service the innards, mainly the steering chain and kind of the bearing as part of that. And in the meantime, I did decide to actually pull the plastic part of the binnacle off where the compass mounts. As a matter of fact, the compass is right here. And go ahead and paint it. It was kind of a off yellow white. So funny enough, we did paint it, and the color came closer to our boat's color than the brilliant white on the can. So we're going to go ahead and try it one more time. So it kind of matches the kind of brilliant white on the binnacle. So yeah, so that the other thing we did, just kind of up here on the shelf, take a quick look. You're like, what are those rusty things? Well, those are the engine mounts that I'm also replacing while everything's done. So it's going to be quite an interesting put back together as we get the boat put back and ready for the water. The one thing that does not really show up is also, in the meantime, we replaced the cutlass bearing. So I think I posted some of that also on the Seaward forum. So yeah, so that's ready to rock and roll. Yeah, so really our next steps is going to be to pull this thing down, put it back in the trailer, sand and paint the areas where it's been supported, and then at least the bottom paint will be done. The rudder over here also got a nice new coat of bottom paint, and actually building a couple of handles for it. So these are basically oak that I actually fiberglassed over and put some epoxy on it. And so I'm going to go ahead and get that painted white, and these go right here. And basically they act as a preventer for if the rudder ever drops out, it will not go through the cassette. So the previous handles were kind of busted up. They were made of some material I didn't quite frankly know what it was, so I just decided to go with this route. And then the previous handles, when they installed them, they weren't really installed flush. They were kind of installed like assuming everything was kind of straight, which they're not. So we'll, I've already drilled new holes. This is ready to go. Just needs to be painted, and the rudder will be done also. So yeah, so no, that's good. Over here, not related to anything boat, is we switched from Mo's shipyard to Mo's avionics shop. This is my kind of next project on the Remos. We're actually going to be installing autopilot on the Remos and updating the GPS, but that's for a different book. So anyway, sorry, not a different book, but a different video. Anyway, quick update. Said hopefully you enjoyed it. So yeah, Kathy and I are super happy. Quite frankly, doing bottom paint, no matter what condition you're in, it's kind of a pretty miserable job. In the garage, it's a little bit more miserable due to the fact that the boat's not fully up on jack stands. But on the flip side, we can do it at our own pace, at our leisure, and it doesn't cost us anything. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give us a big big thumbs up down below. And if you're interested in seeing additional content like this, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye now. This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.